Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Stephanie. For those of you who don't know me, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. It has been a hot minute since I recorded anything. My mind is like somewhere else these past months, so I'm really excited to be sharing a lot of things with you guys that I'm actually going to be uploading and talking about in another video. But this video is specifically for the TYMO Volumizer review. TYMO reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review this, and I said of course I do. I am obsessed with their TYMO ring and their TYMO sway. That how can I pass on reviewing the TYMO Volumizer? When I saw it, I was like, I have to try it. I have to try it. We're gonna open this up and figure out what's in here, how it works, and all that good stuff. So before we get into the video, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Follow me on Instagram. I like literally got my social media stuff together, kind of ish. So if you guys don't follow me already, follow me on Instagram or TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're gonna be reviewing the TYMO Volumizer Hot Airbrush. This retails for $69.99, and I know you can only get it online. I'm not sure if Amazon has it yet, but I will check that and write it down here if it does, and I'll link everything down below. Let's see what it looks like inside. I haven't even opened this thing, okay? Okay, so it only comes with the blow dryer itself, because in all honesty, that's all you need. You don't need a brush, you don't need a glove, you don't need anything. This is gonna do it all for you. It does come with a little manual on like how to use it and all that good stuff. This is what it looks like. Show you guys up close. I love the rose gold plates. I love the bristles. They're all around. It's like this oval shape. I love the thickness of the brush. I feel like it can just like grab so much of my hair and get it done so fast. And trust me, if you have curly hair, puffy hair, just a lot of hair like me, that is a big plus. It's not heavy. It's really, really light, to be honest. It has like an ergonomical feel to it, so it's easy to use and it's not like hard on your hand. It like literally fits perfectly, and it doesn't feel like it's gonna be a hassle to be tugging and everything. It has multiple like settings on it. It has a low heat and high speed. So here are the options for it. Let me show you guys before I go on there. This one is the first option is the, let's look at the little manual. It has a low heat, high speed. The second option is the medium heat and low speed. And then the last one, which is with the two little squiggles right there, is the high heat and high speed. So for faster results, towel dried hair to remove excess water, then run a comb through damp hair to detangle for best results. It gives you options, so use the low setting on fine or thin hair and the high setting on thick and coarse hair. Use the cool setting to lock in the style. So I personally don't use the cool setting, like I just never use it. I'm gonna use a high setting because my hair is thick. So we're gonna do that. Let me go and re-wet my hair. I shampooed my hair this morning. It's already clean. It just that it got a little dry here. So I went in with the Hydrate shampoo from Pureology, and I went in with the Hydrate conditioner from Pureology. So this is what I shampooed and conditioned with today. And I'm just gonna re-wet it, and then I'll show you guys what heat protectant I'm gonna use to style my hair. So let me go do that and be right back. So I just re-wet my hair. I didn't, like I soaked it, but I kind of let it get it a little dry because you're supposed to use it like on damp hair. I'm gonna go in with the Pureology Professional Color Care Color Fanatic Multitasking Leave-In Spray. So I'm currently obsessed with this leave-in conditioner slash heat protectant. It has 21 benefits to it, so it's gonna just like make your hair look shinier, detangle it. I mean, I'm not talking about this product right now, but this is a heat protectant for me that I've been using currently. I've been using all the Pureology lines, so I didn't want to mix any other products in here. So I'm just gonna go in with this and just spray that all over. And I'm also like not gonna put a lot right now because I want to spray it in sections, because I am gonna be doing my hair in sections. I just feel like you just get a better blowout when you do your hair in sections. Doesn't matter if you have a lot of hair or thin hair. It just, when the tool just makes your hair look better when you section your hair, I personally think. And also there is no way I can do it like, you know, I have just too much hair, so I have to do it in sections. So I'm just gonna keep spraying this along, and some water if some places are like too dry. So I already connected this, and the first thing that I noticed about it is that the light turns on. I haven't seen that for a blow dryer, to be honest. Let me section my hair. Let me unknot my hair first. So let me spray a little bit of this on here because my hair is a little tangled. Let's just get these knots out really quick. Let's go in. So I'm gonna use the high setting because I have curly, thick hair. So let's do that. Let me take off these earrings before I pull an ear out. I'm gonna start with let's see, half of this. Because I feel like if you do too much, although it is a big brush, it's just not gonna do your hair any good. Like, it's better if you just kind of go in through sections within the sections. Personally, if you have a lot of hair, if you have thinner hair, it'll work out better. But for me, I feel like I just get better results when I start with small sections. So again, high heat, high pressure. So far, I just want to say it's not tugging on my hair, it's not pulling any hair, it's not getting tangled within the bristles. I feel like it's just like a smooth like way to do your hair. It's like so easy. Look, I could even comb it again. Let's keep going. Actually, it works better when you grab more hair. Like at first I was like, oh, it's not like really getting it straight. It looks puffy, but once I grabbed all of it together, it just looks way better. Look at how pretty that looks. I don't have any like curls in between. It feels good. It feels nice and soft. The fact that I can run my fingers through it still and it doesn't look frizzy. Okay, I like it. I think it does work better when you grab all of your hair at once. So I'm gonna try this side like that because it did come out better once I put everything within the brush. I love how it's like curving in my tips. It doesn't look like straight or crunchy. It just looks like a nice little wave, which it is supposed to give you that blowout volumized look. So I love that personally. I love it more than just flat ironing my hair. It just gives my hair more body. It just looks more, you know, like you just came out of the salon. So let's just grab more hair and see how it comes out. Okay, wow. That was actually faster and a little better. I like that it grips a lot of your hair and it actually dries every bit of it. Look at that. It's like, the mirror is over there, so I can't really see, but I don't feel any bumps or anything. You can see the ends. Let's keep going and see how it looks and see the end result. Okay, what do we think? I honestly really love the results. Look at how pretty this looks. Look at how nice my ends look. They look bouncy. They don't look stiff. It looks so, it has like so much volume. I haven't went over with the straightener, so let me show you guys if I missed any pieces in the back or anything. So this is how it looks. Just using this alone. Again, I haven't used a flat iron or anything, so I can't see any bumps or anything, and it has so much body. It like looks so good just by itself. I think it looks really good. I actually had no problems with it. I do have some hair that did get caught up in here, but it didn't like tug or pull out my hair. Like I didn't feel like little pieces of my hair getting pulled out of my scalp or anything, so that's cool. I mean, all of our hair sheds naturally when you comb it, so that's not a big deal. There's not a lot of it on there. I like that it got super hot and it wasn't like smoking, like there's no smoke coming out of it. It didn't smell like it was burning my hair. I really didn't even see like smoke come out of it, to be honest. I don't know if you guys did on the video. Maybe when I'm editing this I'll see it, but I didn't see it. like around the room or anything. I like that it got it dry really fast. I like that I can touch the bristles as I'm going and it doesn't burn my hand. Like it literally only gets hot from the plate to like the middle. It really doesn't, like you can still touch this while you're doing your hair. You can even touch this tip right here to like kind of curl it in and it doesn't even get hot. Like nothing about this gets super hot where you can't touch it and you can't move around with it. I like that it has that 360 like swivel kind of cord where it doesn't, like you can literally like curl it any way you want and it doesn't get stuck. It's really easy to use. I would really recommend this tool. I love it. I think it did really good. That is it for today, you guys. I want to say thank you to TYMO for sending me this tool to review. This video was not sponsored. It was just my honest review. It was just gifted to me. So again, thank you, TYMO. And yeah, if you guys don't already follow me on Instagram or TikTok, be sure to follow me on there. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you guys next time.